students, very good morning. Welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today for class 8 students, we are going to discuss assignment number 22 on polynomials. Okay, now see this question. The term independent of x in the expansion of x plus 1 upon x power 2 by 3 minus x power 1 by 3 plus 1 minus x minus 1 by x minus x power 1 by 2 whole to the power of 10. If you look at the problem, each term is a very it used to be very tricky and very tough problem, but it's not so. Using algebraic identities, we can make this particular binomial a simple binomial. That is the first step. First, let us make this given binomial a simple binomial. Right? Let us try to write it in its simplest form. Once you do that, rest of the things are easy for us to do. Now, for that, what I am trying to do is, first let me take x plus 1 by x power 2 by 3 minus x power 1 by 3 plus 1 by. Let us try to simplify this. I can write x as x power 1 by 3 whole cube plus 1 cube upon x power 2 by 3 minus x power 1 by 3 plus 1. Okay? Because I am trying to change the form of it. If you look at this, it is something like a cube plus b cube. What is a cube plus b cube for us? That is a plus b, that is x power 1 by 3 plus 1 a plus b into a square. A square means x power 2 by 3 minus ab, that is x power 1 by 3 plus b square upon the same denominator. We are not going to change anything in denominator, that is same. Okay, what is identity I am using here? A cube plus b cube we can write as a plus b times of a square minus ab plus b square. That is identity we have. We are using that while simplifying this. If you look at the denominator term and the term in numerator, both are nothing but the same. They both will cancel. So what is that? We have now x power 1 by 3 plus 1. That is nothing but the first term. What about the second term? If you look at the second term, x minus 1 by x minus x power 1 by 2. Same way, x minus 1 we can write as root x plus 1 times of root x minus 1. Okay? Root x plus 1 times of root x minus 1. It is like a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b is going to be a square minus b square. A square is root x whole square, that is x minus 1 square is 1, x minus 1, nothing but the given term. By here also, let us take x power 1 by 2 common. So we have here x power 1 by 2 minus 1. X power 1 by 2 or root x, both are nothing but the same. Root x and x power 1 by 2, both are same but different forms we represent it as. That's all. So in that way, you can cancel these two terms. Now what is remaining now? That is nothing but root x plus 1, or we can write it as x power 1 by 2 plus 1 by x power 1 by 2. Okay, now let us the simplified form, simplified solution for that. X power 1 by 2 plus 1 by x power 1 by 2. What do you have? X power 1 by 2 plus 1 by x power 1 by 2. How can you write it? That is nothing but let us split it. So we have x power 1 by 2 by x power 1 by 2 plus 1 by x power 1 by 2. That is nothing but these two terms are nothing but the same, so they cancel. 1 plus x power minus 1 by 2 we have. Okay, therefore, the given expansion if you take, that is x plus 1 by x power 2 by 3 minus x power 1 by 3 plus 1 minus, what is the second term for us? X minus 1 upon x power 1 by 2 minus x minus x power 1 by 2, x minus x power 1 by 2. See, first x plus 1 by x power 2 by 3 minus x power 1 by 3 plus 1 minus x minus 1 by x minus x power 1 by 2 whole power 10 whole to the power of 10. That can be written as, this entire expression just now we got, just now we have simplified that as x power 1 by 3 plus 1. So we can write it as x power 1 by 3 plus 1 minus, this entire expression we got as 1 plus x power minus 1 by 2 whole power 10. So that is otherwise now x power 1 by 3 Plus 1 minus 1 cancels, so we have minus x power minus 1 by 2 whole power 10. Okay, so the same even I can write as x power 1 by 3 minus 1 by x power 1 by 2 whole power 10. Now what do you need? You need the independent term of x. For that, we have to find out r. What is r? R is given by np by p plus q. R is given by np by p plus q. What is n? N is nothing but the binomial power 10. P means this is p. This particular term is p, and this is what we call as q. Okay, p is 1 by 3 by p plus q, that is 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2. This is how we can find out r. Once you know r, tr plus 1 is the required answer for us. Let us find out r now. That is 10 upon 3 by here 2 plus 3, that is 5 upon 2 3s are 6. So that is going to be, what is that? So 10 by 4, 10 into 10 by 3 into 6 by 5. 10 by 3 into 6 by 5. Here 2 times and it is 2 times, that is equal to 4. So that is r value is 4 for us. Now what to do? Here in the given options, if you see, we have T5, T5, T4, T4. But as you know R is 4 we got. We are going to have the required term as TR plus 1, that is T5. So definitely the answer will be 1 between these two. So what it is, let us try to find it out. For that, T5, as R is 4, T5 is equal to T4 plus 1. That is going to be, here in this if you look, that is 10C4. Anyway, here we need not write x power 1 by 3 or x power minus 1 by 2 terms, because it is independent of x. Already we are saying that. So no x will exist furthermore. So that is answer is simply 10C4. If you look at 10C4 value, that is nothing but 210. So 210 is the right answer for this particular question. Okay. So that is nothing but 210 means we have it as first option. So T5, that is 210 is the independent term in the given expansion. Okay. So it's a very interesting question and very important question. Even it is even asked for JEE mains. What did we do? First, individually we took the terms and we simplified them using identities. Thereby, we made the given expression a simple expression, simple binomial. Thereby, we used the technique to find out r, that is np upon p plus q, that is nothing but 4. Once you got r, the required term is t4r plus 1, that is t4 plus 1, that is t5. t5 is nothing but 10c4. I am not writing any x here because already I am saying that it is independent of x. So 10c4, that is nothing but 210. That is the right answer for this. Okay. Now we will move to the next question. It is a comprehension given. What is saying? If a and b are real numbers, then for all n belongs to n, a plus b whole power n is c0. c0 is otherwise nc0. It is nc1. This is nc2. Okay. Plus so on plus ncr into a power n minus r into b power r. This is what we call as general term. In fact, plus so on plus ncn minus 1 into a power 1 into b power n minus 1 plus ncn into a power 0 into b power n. That is the last term. ncn, that is the n term. nc0, it starts with nc0 and ends with ncn. Binomial coefficient starts with nc0 and ends with ncn. That is what we have to observe. In that, so other way of representation of this is the sigma notation, we can write it because sigma is standing for plus. Now the total number of terms in the expansion of m minus n whole power 7. What is the expansion given to us? M minus n whole power 7. That is 8. How do you do that? As the power is 7 here, 7 plus 1 is 8. So number of terms are 8. That is okay. What is you asking now? The second term in the expansion is Second term in the expansion is nothing but T2. T2 is nothing but T1 plus 1. T1 plus 1 means what to write? See, general term is what? NCR to A power n minus R B power R. Here we can say general term as TR plus 1. That is NCR into first term is A to the power of n minus R into B to the power of R. As the second term is B, we can write B power R. T1 plus 1. Expansion is m minus n whole power 7. That is n is 7 here. 7 C1 into A in the sense that is the first term. M to the power of 7 minus 1 into second term is minus n to the power of 1 ncr into x a to the power of n minus r into b to the power of r. That is otherwise 7c1 value is 7 into m power 6 into minus n. So the answer becomes minus 7 m power 6 times of n. Minus 7 m power 6 times of n is nothing but second option. So that is the right answer for this question. Now let us see the next question. Third term in the expansion is nothing but t3, that is t2 plus 1, that is nothing but 7c2. The same expansion we are using into a is m here, m to the power of 7 minus 2 into minus n to the power of 2. Okay, using the general term we are trying to write it. 7c2, what is the value of 7c2? It is nothing but 7 into 7 minus 1, that is 6 by 2 factorial, means 2 into m to the power of 7 minus 2 is nothing but 5 into minus n whole square is simply n square. As the power is even, minus will be waived off. So we have n square. So here 2 1s and 2 3s. 7 3s are 21. So it is 21 m power 5 n square. 21 m power 5 n square. 21 m power 5 n square. That is nothing but the first option. Okay, now let us see the next question. The fourth term in the expansion is T4 is nothing but T3 plus 1. That is 7C3 into m to the power of 7 minus 3 into minus n to the power of 3. 7C3, how do you write it? 7 into 7 minus 1, 6 into 7 minus 2, that is 5 by 3 factorial. 3 factorial is nothing but 6 into m to the power of 7 minus 3, that is 4. Into here we have power as odd. So minus remains. So minus n cube. Minus n cube. So 6 cancels. So minus is already there. So minus 7 5s are 35 m power 4 times of n cube. Minus 35 m power 4 times of n cube. Minus 35 m power 4 times of n cube. That is nothing but the third option. So that is the right answer for this question. Okay. That is the end of today's assignment. Thank you. Have a good day.